Let's get it. Hello, hello, hello. Come one, come all. Welcome to the stream, everybody. This is a Crypto Rap exclusive, and I'm your host, Why Not? I'm the greatest crypto rapper of all time, and we are locked in the trenches another day, another dollar, talking all things cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, cryptographic encryption, Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, and everything in between coins. The biggest news rocking crypto, the entire crypto market cap could double within the next few years after this major bombshell announcement by the SEC and the CFTC. They said, fuck the Clarity Act, we're just going to give you guys clarity. Crypto major assets are no longer commodities, or they are no longer securities, they are now commodities. They've introduced a new 5-part categorization system, including commodities, collectibles, securities, tools, and payment infrastructure under stablecoins. The biggest piece of regulatory greenlighting that we've ever received in crypto, decades in the making, and they just surprise bombshell announced it yesterday. Opening the door for trillions of dollars of potential institutional liquidity to flood into the entire crypto market. So far, so great. Welcome to the stream, everybody. It's good to see you guys. Hey, good to see you, John. Good to see you, Bart. Good to see you, Deez. Good to see you, Rares. Good to see you. Welcome. It's a pleasure to have you guys. Let's rock and roll. So everything is taking a major dip despite this news that I just told you guys. Bitcoin's down, ETH is down, XRP's down, BNB's down, Sol is down. Everything's down in the past 24 hours by a pretty considerable amount. Everything averaging out down about 5%. Total crypto market cap itself is down about 4% in that time. $114 trillion in 24-hour trading volume. Sorry, $114 billion in 24-hour trading volume, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. New video is fire. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Everyone, go and check out my new video. It's a small pullback. I think it's the calm before the storm. Fed's rate announcement was today. No cuts. Classic. I downloaded that Frenzy app. It seems kind of new. Did it just get made? Yes, it just got made. It got made about a month ago. I think the app went live. You're welcome to the stream. It's good to see you guys. Let's jump into the meme coins and see what's going on. If you guys have not seen my most recent crypto video, you should probably go check it out. It's pretty interesting. It's going to change the markets forever. All right. Let's go first and foremost, take a look at Tappy. Tappy is what? Why is it not showing up? There we go. $130,000 market cap. Zoom out on this. The chart looks great. You guys can see there are still people buying meme coins right now. Are they blind? Carrie, the only one blind is you. You are a sheep, and you will be our exit liquidity when the tides turn. Thanks for the 20 bandos. So when we pulled this up on the stream the first time, it was around 20,000 market cap on this little lip right here. Over the course of the stream, talking to the developer of this project, it hit a new all-time high, a little above 100,000. Fell down a little bit, all the way down to 39,000, and then again all the way down to 27,000. Since then, it's made a full triumphant recovery, pushing up 150,000. They've added liquidity, over 30,000 now, and they have unlocked 2 new major updates, a brand new game that's dropping, etc., etc. So this chart is pretty confidently soaring upwards. So far, so great. I'm actually going to be reconnecting with Zero Sum, who's the dev of this project, this weekend. I think we're gonna do a stream this weekend again. We're gonna talk to Zero Sum, and I'm trying to talk to these guys from the team of Pump One, which is a brand new hardware, brand new phone that's coming out that's geared for trading. Literally a phone that's built for trading. Has a custom OS, custom trading terminal integrated into the phone. For you hardcore meme slingers and degens in the trenches, this is your right-hand man. This coin right here is called Meme Magic. It just migrated 3 minutes ago. It's a little less than 10 minutes old. Topped out at 60,000. Now it's fell down a little bit at around 40, 50K. Still seems to be ranging upwards. Let's keep looking around. Here's a Zero Claw, 1 month old, but for some reason just recently catching some bids. Fell down to 8K, wicked all the way up to 150K. I really don't trust coins that do that. Usually the people that got in at 8K are just ready to dump on you at the top. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is a coin that's been around in the market for a while. 712,000. Seems to be recovering generously from that recent dip. Topped out at 1.6 mil, fell all the way down to 160K, wicked back up to 1.5 mil, now fell down to 400K, and then now topped out at 900K, in middle of the road at 700K. Honestly, I've never seen anything about this on the timeline. That's the thing that kind of rubs me. Like, what's the meme here? Like, it's literally John Cena with Kim Jong-un, right? Am I tripping? It's not on the algo yet, but is it actually making stuff? Like, where is it? Is it on TikTok? It's on X. Where's it at? I've seen the coin, and I'm honestly impressed that it's still up as high as it is. Is Pump One a coin or just a phone? There is a coin, but it's called phone. I'm pretty sure the coin is called phone, but I'm not actually seeing it here. Maybe if I look up Pump One.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Pump One. Huh. I'm not seeing it here, but it does exist, and the coin is called phone. I'm pretty sure. Huh. Let me go look on Deck Screener. Let's see. Phone. Mike says, is Imagine coin for real? Mike, did you hear about that coin on TikTok? Did you hear about that coin on TikTok? Let's pull this open. Yes? Then the answer is no. Have you heard about the coin on TikTok? The answer is no. You heard about it on TikTok? That coin is not real. That coin is going straight to zero, little bro.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
This is the token for Pump One. The ticker is phone. It's at 133,000 market cap, 26 days old. Chart is totally bottomed out. You can see it right here. Interesting. Chart looks terrible, honestly, but the product is really interesting, so could be an opportunity here. Bro, I need help. Bro, do I look like a doctor, a police officer, or a firefighter? Do I look like a doctor, a police officer, or a firefighter? How the fuck am I supposed to help you, bro? I'm a rapper. Aren't you a doctor? That was for one video. Yeah. Chat, whatever you guys do, do not listen to this guy. He's trying to scam you. He says he has 27 Solana stuck in a wallet that he can't move. That reminds me of the time my stepsister was stuck in the laundry machine. Chat, it never ends well. Look, this thing topped out at 62,000. A little bit of volume on this. Interesting motion here on the chart. Still climbing from when we first saw it. Let's keep looking around. Check out layoff. It did a new all-time high. Here's layoff. And what? You didn't sell the top and now you're bag holding down? What percentage are you down right now, bro? How many SOL are you down right now? Tracking layoffs in real time. We are here for you. Yeah, I don't... It's not... No, it's not down bad at all. And actually that wick up today was pretty impressive. Chat, I actually... Wait, let me check to see if I got my Bitcoin Cash yet. Not yet, I guess. Yo, what's good? New waves of videos are fire. You definitely locked into these trenches. Thanks, bro. Can you look at I want to block? Yes, I want to block. But I should be getting my shit already. Hey, good to see you, Marcus. I hit a block, so I should be getting my shit. Let me go and double check right now. Let's go here. You're welcome to the stream, everybody. Do you find you've been able to find balance with life in crypto, or do you find you're always... Yeah, I always have my eyes on the trenches. But... Yeah, I found the block. Status paid. So it should have received it already. Huh. I don't think I got it yet, though. Let me see. Got what? Got my my Bitcoin Cash. I guess I might have to wait a little bit longer. Yeah, I hit a block mining Bitcoin Cash, and I was supposed to get it, but yeah. Anyways, do I have work-life balance? Yeah, pretty much because I can work or not work whenever I want. Goncalo, shut the fuck up. Nobody cares. Not your keys, not your crypto. Have you heard of that? Not your keys, not your crypto. I have an account with 27 SOL, but I can't move them. If you can't move them, then you don't have an account with 27 SOL. Period. If you don't own the keys to the assets that you're talking about, they are not your assets. Anybody can see anything on chain, brother, but it's not yours if you can't do anything with it. I'm inside the wallet. If you're inside the wallet, then send it. If you're inside the wallet, then move the money. Oh, you can't. Oh, that's crazy. Then whose fucking money is it? It's not yours. Come on, man. Let's be real. Yeah, no, I'm a level with you, bro. Get the fuck out of here with your stupid 2-bit scam. Shut the fuck up. I'm banning you right now. That's the dumbest fucking scam I ever heard. Stop trying to scam people with your broke ass, bro. You're gonna die broke if you keep trying to scam people, bro. God is watching. And he is disappointed in what you're trying to do right now. It's disgusting. Yeah, go fuck yourself, bro. You think I've been in the game for 10 years. You think I haven't seen that one before? Jesus Christ, man. I have so much money, but I can't touch it. I need a stranger to go and touch it for me. Please log in with your credentials on this website. Please. Trust me, you will not lose anything. Just visit this website and log in, please. Now shut the fuck up, bro. Get the fuck out of here, man. Oh my God. What kind of dirt hole did you crawl out of, bro? What kind of sewer are you crawling in, you little rat? Get the fuck out of my chat right now, bro. You're a scumbag. Straight up. Stop trying to scam people. That's crazy. I hope you did lose 27 soul. I hope you lose 27 more. Hope you lose your life savings. Go fuck yourself. Alright. Let's keep looking. Yeah, I just blocked him. Chat, never trust anybody telling you to access some funds that they, for whatever reason, can't access. That shit's the oldest trick in the book. Guaranteed scam. I'm a little bit curious about my Bitcoin Cash block. I don't want to miss it. I'm trying to see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I received it. Nice. Chat, I wanted to show you guys something. I don't usually show this. I actually never would show this under any circumstances. But I recently just stumbled upon this because I only got access to my Coinbase account for the first time in years. My Coinbase, it didn't work for a really long time. For like literally for 3 years, my Coinbase hasn't worked since like 2021 pretty much. And I just got access back, which is cool. So I wanted to show you guys something, because you guys always ask me a lot of questions that I don't like to talk about, but I recognize are important. Questions like, how much money have you made in crypto? Questions like, you know, can you actually make money here? People accuse me of being a LARP, etc., right? Everybody's got something to say, right? So I just want to dispel some of the rumors right here, right now. For those of you real ones in my chat. Because it's the first time that I had access to my Coinbase in a really long time. So I just want you to see. This is my Coinbase. You see? I only have 29 cents in there right now. But, as you can see right here, this is my Coinbase. You see, that's the Bitcoin Cash that I just received from mining the block. This is real Coinbase. This is not like some fake screenshots or anything, right? So you see this little 29 cents up here? I'll click the 29 cents. And do you guys see this? Let me hit refresh. Can you guys tell me what that number says right there? Anybody? Can any of you guys read that number? You guys see it, right? Yeah, that's $250,000. $250,000. From an account that was closed 3 years ago. Just for the record. I just want it for the record. To show you guys, I've been in this game a long time. There's a lot of little fish in the market right now trying to gobble you guys up for exit liquidity. I'm just trying to show you guys I've been in the game a long time. I do not need your exit liquidity. This is an account that I have not had access to literally for the past 4 years. But yeah. Just for the record. You guys can go and check your own Coinbase and check it out. Hit that little refresh. You'll see it all right there. I don't want to hear no more bullshit about me being a LARP. I don't want to hear no more bullshit about I never made any money trading. I don't want to hear no more bullshit about anything, okay? Let's put that aside. I just saw it the other day and I was like, oh, damn. I haven't had this account in so long. Those were the days. But yeah, let's log back in.
This is a
Crypto Rap was there every day, 2024 bull run. I can vouch, bro. Ain't no LARP. That's real, bro. Where do I trade? Axiom, Photon, or this is Axiom right here. AXIOM.trade. Axiom.trade. Good to see you, 8 Believe. I'm going to watch after the live, but can you shed some light about the new video about crypto doubling? Yeah, it's about a multi-trillion-dollar potential increase in total crypto market cap. The SEC and CFTC for the first time has basically no TJR LARPing. That's what I'm saying. TJR doesn't even have those screenshots because he wasn't even around in the game when I was in the game, bro. Like, this is no TJR bullshit. Like, oh man, he showed you those screenshots, but they were Photoshop. He doesn't have it. He can't do the little slide up refresh. That's funny, bro. Anyways. As I was saying, CFTC and the SEC for the first time, they basically clarified that most of the major crypto assets that we're talking about are commodities, not securities, which is a big deal because Coinbase was sued, Ethereum was sued, Uniswap was sued, XRP was sued, Cardano was sued, everybody and their grandmama was sued under the Gary Gensler administration of the SEC. All major crypto companies were tied up in lawsuits. They couldn't develop, they couldn't ship products, they couldn't pioneer the industry. They were trapped by lawsuits and litigation. It wasn't until this announcement, literally yesterday, that now all of those lawsuits are defunct. They are basically, they don't apply anymore. It's not the SEC's jurisdiction. And crypto assets now, for the first time, instead of being regulated like Fortune 500 companies, are going to be regulated like oil, gold, and silver. They are commodities. The value of crypto does not come from some kind of promise to shareholders, some kind of dividend, some kind of yield, some kind of profitability. Instead, the SEC and the CFTC jointly agreed that the value of cryptocurrency comes from its usage, from its networks, and from its scarcity, just like a commodity. So, pretty impressive. I thought it was dismissed last year. Yes, most lawsuits have been dismissed within the past year, but that does not mean that they were not still viable. It was still possible for this litigation to happen because crypto was in a gray area, a legal gray area. People didn't know whether to categorize it as a commodity or as a security. But now they've said enough is enough. This is not a security, which is also important because meme coins, which we're on the stream doing every single day, it used to be a legal gray area. It was illegal for you to get up on a live stream and tell people about meme coins. It was illegal for you to get up and promote a meme coin on a live stream because what you were doing was fraud, essentially. You were promoting an unregistered security to an audience of investors. But under this new regulation, meme coins are now collectibles. They are now collectibles. They're not even commodities. They're collectibles. So now a live stream where you're promoting a meme coin is the same as a live stream where you're promoting a Pokemon card. It's the same as a live stream where you're promoting a Supreme jacket. Has nothing to do with finance, has nothing to do with investment, has nothing to do with any of that stuff. Meme coins are collectibles.
Generational wealth.
Really interesting ruling. NFTs as well are collectibles. So this is pretty bullish. Pretty bullish for the future of cryptocurrency. Pretty bullish for my gig. And I think really opens the doors for what's possible here. Truly. It's pretty sick. This Senny guy has been spamming in my chat about this fucking Coyote coin, bro. I swear to God almighty, who the fuck cares about a Coyote coin, bro? Who the fuck cares about a Coyote? Obviously, you don't live in Southern California. I got 30 Coyotes living in the Hollywood Hills right behind my crib, bro. You think I give a fuck? They are a dime a dozen. No, I don't think your stupid bullshit coin's gonna come back to life just because the team locked 10%. You should see the other 30% they bundled on the top, bro. Get your bitch ass out of here, bro. You bully now or what's up, dog? Only person I'm bullying is you. Oh, you mean blockchain bully or what?
This is a crypto
as in bullish.
rap
True.
exclusive.
No, I'm still bearish. I still think that we're going into a bear run. I'm not gonna lie. I still think Bitcoin's gonna drop down 20 to 40K. But this recent law that passed, the reason why Bitcoin's gonna drop down to 20 to 40K is because now, for the first time, the big dogs can enter the field. For the first time, the institutions are actually able to interact with what's going on in crypto. And this is important because they are late to the market and they did not get a good price. They need a good price. I'm talking Goldman Sachs. I'm talking JP Morgan. I'm talking BlackRock. I'm talking all the multi-billion, multi-trillion dollar hedge funds, VCs, banks, etc. They all want crypto now because now they're allowed to have crypto, but they didn't get to enter the game until right now. If you think they're going to enter the game at the same price that Michael Saylor entered, then you are dumb as a fucking rock. They are going to drag this market through the mud and broken glass and make sure that the price drops down to the dirt before they even think of placing their bids. This whole thing is going to crash straight to the ground over the next few months. The big dogs are going to scoop up when you guys are tapping the mat and screaming uncle with tears in your eyes, ready to sell your bags for the low. That's when the big dogs are going to pick it up. It's only natural, right? Why would JP Morgan, why would Goldman Sachs, why would all these multi-billion, multi-trillion dollar institutions buy our bags when they could get it for cheap? It doesn't make any sense. You got to understand how these guys play. These guys play dirty. They play dirtier than anything. Fed rate unchanged today. That's right. Fed rate unchanged. So yes, even though the news we got yesterday was bullish, the future of the market is not as bullish. It's kind of like the Lakers. The Lakers were ass for a long time.
Rap exclusive.
But then they got good again, right? Your team has to be ass for a long time for you to actually start to get good again. The same is true in the market. Price has to be ass before you can start to get good again.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Let's zoom out on this. Zoo accepting donations for Punch. Yeah, they're about 2 months too late on that. But I did see that the Arizona Zoo was accepting donations on behalf of Jelly Bean. They had just got a Coinbase verified wallet up. It's time for a new zoo animal, in my opinion. Punch is old news. This thing topped out at 1.2 million, bottomed out at 160. It's kind of ranging up a little bit, nothing too crazy. Meme Magic up to 75 now. This is the only coin that seems to be ranging upwards recently. But let's keep looking around. You're saying Lucia? Let's go look at Lucia. An anime girl? An anime girl? Oh my god. How did I miss this, chat? Oh, fuck. I missed the anime girl coin and it went to 3 million? No. Man. Chat. NFA. Never fade an anime girl. NFA. Never fade an anime girl. Fake coin? Definitely a fake coin. This thing went to 3 million, but it's only got 45 SOL in fees paid. Doesn't look good at all on that front. But yes, it ran up and it ran up quick, and you had a decent opportunity to get in this early. So if you missed it, that's on you, little bro. Aliens Are Real is starting to go crazy. Yes, Aliens Are Real is starting to go crazy. We looked at this on the stream 2 days ago, or yesterday, or whenever it was. Now it's gone up to 800K off of the brand new news today that the United States government has officially registered the domain, the web domain, aliens.gov. The US government just registered the web domain, aliens.gov. Isn't that funny? Aliens.gov. What the fuck are they going to put on that website, honestly? Is it going to be a picture of a little alien? Like, like, come on. Distractions or truth? Definitely distraction. No coincidence that the year we get aliens.gov is the same year that Steven Spielberg puts out a movie called Disclosure. This has been the playbook for decades. People have told you for decades. This is all right up the Project Bluebeam alley. The world goes to shit, and they unify us against a common enemy. It's the Independence Day playbook. By the way, in Independence Day, the U.S. Bank Tower in Los Angeles, California gets the top floor blown out. Just wait till that part happens. It's good to see you, Bailey. Welcome to the stream. But yeah. Nah, this was all a part of the plan, all going totally aligned with the playbook. Just you guys wait. This is going to be an interesting year, to say the least. We also have the Space Force, whatever that means. Yeah, Space Force, established, whatever, I think 5 years ago or 6 years ago now. Space Force, by the way, it was a Space Force captain who wrote that book that I made a video about not too long ago. A book about Bitcoin that was banned by the Department of Defense. The Department of Defense restricted that book about Bitcoin. It's not about, government secrets. It's not about war. It's not about any of that. It's literally about Bitcoin. And the Department of Defense banned it. And it was written by a Space Force captain 3 years ago. Interesting. It's all much deeper than you think, guys. It's all much deeper than you think. What's the book? It's called Soft War. And it's about how Bitcoin is not actually a store of value. Bitcoin is not actually gold. Bitcoin is not actually currency. Bitcoin is a method of projecting power across the globe. Bitcoin is actually a battleground. It is a new form of warfare in the 21st century. They banned that book. Market had a bull run yesterday. Now it's down again. Solana almost reached 100 yesterday. Yep. All of that off the backs of the brand new announcement by the SEC and CFTC saying that Solana is no longer a security. Solana is a commodity. Solana is like gold and silver. XRP is like gold and silver. Bitcoin is like oil, etc., etc. Aliens has upside potential today. Brother, in my opinion, Aliens had upside potential today. But at this point, you are just buying bags. That coin does not have as much upside potential anymore. I'm surprised that this AI Fruits coin isn't doing better than it is. This is a pretty big trend. I don't know if you guys have seen these videos on TikTok, but they've been popping off lately. We zoom out on this. How does it not have it anymore? What news are you expecting, bro? The coin is already up literally 1,000% today. What more do you want? You want an alien to go and give a speech at the White House? They come in live from Area 51? When that site goes live, Moon, is it your first time in crypto? Have you ever heard of the phrase, buy the rumor, sell the news? Buy the rumor, sell the news? When that site goes live, the chart dumps, bro. When that site goes live, people rotate full stack into a brand new coin related to the actual pressing narrative. Buy the rumor, sell the news. We're in the rumor phase right now. The news is not bullish. The news is bearish every time. This thing topped out to 500K. Now it's at 420K. To me, this has the inklings of a coin that can crack 1 million. I think. Based on how viral this is on TikTok, pretty much every video related to this is pushing a multi-million viewership. And on X, it's also going pretty impressive. Alex Jack says, what's with the trans pride flag behind you? Alex, on what planet does this look like a trans pride flag, bro? This is literally a Serbian Orthodox cross. Are you serious? What the fuck? So many PvP coins, Pump Fund needs to charge to launch a coin. They already charge about $5 or something, but... Snoopy says, I got a frenzy notification about those fruit AI. Respect. Frenzy's always on top of it. That guy who came to my stream the other day to talk about his project Bedrock, his name is Sean. He's now a top 8 trader on KOL Scan. He's cracked. He doesn't use any side wallet. He doesn't use any bundle. He's just raw in the market with one wallet. And he's now a top 8 trader on KOL Scan, cooking thousands of dollars every single day. We'll have to bring him back to the stream and have him talk about memes. This thing topped out it's at 83,000 right now. So far, so good on the chart. We've been following this since the low over here. Been following this since 30K. Pretty impressive growth on meme magic. I expect this to go straight to zero pretty soon. But it's been impressive so far on the way up. Such a dry day in the trenches. Is that how you feel? Has it been like that? You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything too crazy, honestly. How is good? Let's go pull it up. Good. Why do I think meme magic will go to zero? Because what the fuck is that, bro? Straight up, like, that shit, it just has no reason to exist. It's not a real narrative. It's just money washing. In order for something to sustain that kind of price action, it needs to actually have a narrative. It doesn't have a narrative. It's a 4chan narrative, but from when, bro? Like, when's the last time that 4chan has been culturally relevant? The last time that 4chan was culturally relevant was in like 2012. Here's good energy. Topped out at 260,000. Now it's at 160K. Still looks good on the chart in my opinion. Let's lock in. Leave your granny alone? I can't, bro. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Let's keep looking around. I wish I traded at 15 instead of playing Fortnite. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. I mean, if you start right now, you're going to get a good head start. But as far as asking me what videos to watch, I can offer you 3 things. First, if you go into my TikTok, I have a pinned video called Crypto 101. That video has a lot of valuable insight in how to get started on meme coin trading. It's about 5 minutes long. It includes a lot of tips and tricks, and then it has a live trading demo inside of that video. So watch that video. It's 5 minutes long, so you got nothing to lose. If you actually are serious about this, instead of buying a battle pass for Fortnite this month, instead of buying V-Bucks, go to wap.com/cryptorap and check out the Alpha Battle Pass. The Alpha Battle Pass comes with, at the end of this week, there's going to be over 20 classes, over 30 hours of content from all different categories of crypto. Today we have a class literally in 1 hour and 20 minutes. We've got a dev of an app coming to talk about crypto app development. Yeah, this isn't a Fortnite Battle Pass. This is this thing right here, the Alpha Learners Battle Pass. It includes over 30 hours of classes, plus a bunch of live classes happening all the time. And it costs $15. Costs less than a trip to McDonald's.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
I'm gonna buy soul instead of a battle pass, then you're gonna lose all your soul and you're gonna wish you bought the battle pass. But good luck, little bro. This thing went to 150,000. Topped out at 190,000, ranging up a little bit. Smiley says, remember I talked about aliens like 2 weeks ago? My hold finally paid off. Respect. Yeah, this does look like a farm. This candle right here looks terrible. Thanks for the support. Yeah, go fuck yourself, little bro. You remember giving us alpha on Tappy Bird? I give you some Terp bot. Let's go take a look. Terp bot. Oh wow, a coin at 18,000 market cap. What a gem. Ooh, the top trader is Cupsy. This is brilliant. This is a good project. You asked me for advice and then you didn't take my advice, bro. So why the fuck did you ask? Why are you even still here? Just get out of here. This coin, Baxate, is a vamp attack of a second coin. It's running up like crazy. Let's see what this is. It says, we just got the next Lobstar, the Open Claw agent, Baxate Carter, built by NVIDIA dev Baxate on Nemo Claw, just replied to a comment with the Solana wallet address, redirecting fees and sending 5% to its wallet. There we go. There we go. That's crazy. I don't know. I mean, this is a vamp attack. There's already 2 of them. Both of them are around 50,000 right now. This thing just wicked up to 100,000 in one candle. This is really interesting. I wonder which one of these will run, and I wonder if any of them will run. Henry, knowledge without money gets you money. Money without knowledge loses you money. Right now you do not have knowledge. All you have is money. You're gonna take that money and you're gonna lose that money, little bro. That's all I could say, honestly. You're investing in the wrong thing. 100K to 29K on meme magic, you were right. Patriot about to pump at 6 p.m. Joe Kent going live with Tucker Carlson. Both of those motherfuckers are about to get arrested for treason, bro. That's crazy. This thing topped out at 194K. Now it says 67K. I play small only for market experience, as I learned from people who did it and my own research. Respect. Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we know. Let's keep looking. Generational wealth. Man, market's kind of dry, I'm not gonna lie. TikTok banned me again. They love catching me having an opinion. What do you mean by having an opinion? I have plenty of opinions and I don't get banned. Is your opinion by any chance offensive to a particular demographic of people? Yeah, everything's collapsed pretty much. None of these coins from the past hour look like they're doing well. All of those Baxate coins went straight down as well. Can help me point one sold to start meme coins? Brother, you don't even follow me. You've never done anything to support me. You literally just showed up in my chat and started begging for $8. If you don't even have $8, brother, you need a job. You don't need to start meme coins. You need to start applying for your local McDonald's. $8 is easy. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Legend, please, can I get a 0.1? Bro, Legend, suck my fucking dick, bro. Put the fries in the bag. Put the fries in the bag, little bro. Tinfoil? Let's pull it up. Why ask 0.1? You wouldn't believe what's happened in the short time I've been away from you. Oh shit. What happened? You want to call me? Sorry, I totally forgot that you called me this morning because I was dead ass asleep when you called me. You saw me with my my sleeping mask on and everything. No, I don't. I'm not assuming that it's bad. I'm assuming that it's quite good, huh? Are you in Tennessee right now? Or are you still in New York? Because you're the only 10 I see. Oh, you were in DC? God damn, bro. Hell yeah. You were in the seat of the empire, bro. Monitoring the situation. That's dope. And my girl's out in Florida right now. I still think I'm gonna make it out to Florida next week. Yeah, here's tinfoil, 110,000. Actually, a fine looking chart for a 2-hour coin. I'm gonna call you around 8 p.m. EST if that's okay, Fluffy. Or honestly, if my viewership doesn't go up, I'll do it sooner than that. This market is almost 100% scam for months. Why? It's a classic case of trading psychology, bro. You have to think. There's bull runs and there's bear runs. Right now we're in a bear run. What is the shift that happens between a bull run or a bear run? In a bull run, anyone can make money. Damn, bro, chill out. Man, somebody died or some shit. In a bull run, anyone can make money. Even the dumbest person that you know. The dumbest person that you know is making money during a bull run. And in fact, that's precisely what happens. A lot of stupid people make a lot of money during a bull run. And what do stupid people do when they make a lot of money? They spend it. But, more importantly, they spend money that they don't have. Okay? So a lot of stupid people make a lot of money. And then they start spending money that they don't have. Now the market shifts from a bull run to a bear run. Well, guess what? These stupid people that made a lot of money, they have a $6,000 payment on their penthouse. They have a $1,300 payment on their BMW M4. They've got all these Klarna paying for debts that they got to pay on their Supreme and on their Margiela. So all these people that stupid and got rich during a bull run now suddenly have a lot of debt. And they have a lot of debt that's coming and closing in on them fast. Well, what do stupid people do when they have a lot of debt? They start Stealing. They start robbing people because they don't have any talent. They can't actually build anything valuable for themselves. They have to leech that value and be parasites to others. So stupid people get rich in a bull run, then they spend more than they have. Now they still need that money, but it's a bear run. And in a bear run, liquidity is thinner, volume is lower, opportunity is less. So what do these people have to do? They have to resort to robbing people. They have to steal from others. So now everyone that was a stupid person that happened to luckily get rich during a bull run is stealing from people during the bear run. They're launching rug pulls, they're bundling, they're serial deploying, they're doing these insider groups, shilling coins on TikTok, etc., because they have to pay a lot of money. They got to pay their BMW M4 payment. They got to pay their penthouse payment. All of this stuff that they bought while they were rich, but that rich was only based on the conditions of the bull run. So, yeah. They got to be like this guy in the chat, Mr. Andrew. Mr. Andrew is a stupid person. He says, guys, don't miss my VIP premium signals. Now he is broke and he's resorted to scamming people. These are exactly the kinds of people I'm talking about. This poor, stupid guy is now broke and now he has to resort to scamming people in order to make money. It's a sad thing. It's really a sad thing. But that's the reason why there's so many scams. Thoughts about the TJR files? Are you serious? The TJR files? You comparing him to Epstein? Are you dead ass? That's that is crazy, bro. What are the thoughts? I mean, my thoughts are, oh, wow. The teenager who's been profitable since he was in high school, his six-figure P&Ls, actually was lying the whole time? Who would have thought? That's crazy. The guy who flexed a rented car like he owned it was lying the whole time? That is unbelievable. The guy that had to move outside of the mainland of the United States so he could avoid penalties on taxes that he got from robbing people was lying? That's insane, man. I never could have anticipated that one. But yeah, it's kind of a no-brainer, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Bark says, so are you stealing? Chat, should I ban Bark? Put a W in the chat if I should ban Bark. Put an L in the chat if he stays. W in the chat if I ban Bark. Put an L in the chat if he stays. Why did Punch rug hard again? Let's go take a look. It's a lot of W's in the chat. Shout out to Dutch. Bark says no. Bark, you're the only person that said no. 30 other people said yes. I don't understand. You just said I was stupid, bro. You just said I was stealing from people. Why do you even want to be here? This thing topped out at 50 million. Bounced up to 21. Fell down to 12. Somebody asked, why did this go down so hard? Same thing that happens whenever you have a coin that comes back from the grave like this, right? A lot of people get in at this lower market cap range, in particular on this candle right here, between under 5 million up to 8 million. There's a lot of buys here. This is pretty much the equivalent of a bundle. I'm sure people put in a lot of fat stacks. You can ape with size at this range. Liquidity on this coin is pretty decent. And then once they've done that, now these people, which is probably a group of folks that have a relatively large amount of influence, they started hyping up every little bit of news about Punch. First, it was that the K-pop star visited Punch. Then it was that Punch got a new girlfriend. Then it was that Punch was now on shelves in IKEA, etc., etc. Every time some small little thing comes out about this monkey, they blow it up into the biggest news ever. And they run all over the timeline with it. And they try and convince people, yo, look at what just happened. Punch is so back. And then they run it up, they run it up, they run it up. K-pop visit, girlfriend, IKEA shelf, and then they sell the top. Oldest trick in the book. Everybody in the chat pretty gassed about tinfoil hat. Yeah, this thing's pushing a new all-time high right now. Let's zoom in a little bit. 150K. Gassed up, shawty. Said I need my phony. Pull up to the party. Yeah. Looking to invest in a well-adjusted market cap coin. Any suggestions? Ma'am, this is meme coins. There's no such thing as well-adjusted here. Everything here is totally poorly adjusted. Everything here is the most down and dirty, degenerate, deranged financial assets that you can find in any market anywhere. If you're looking for well-adjusted, go find the Nvidia stream. Go find the Tesla stream. Go find somebody that's doing oil or gold or silver. Go find somebody in stocks and bonds. This is not for well-adjusted people. This is for outcasts, for misfits. Well-established, it doesn't exist. Every single well-established coin right now is down 90%. Every single well-established coin is down 90%. I had a diagram, but I guess I lost it. Every major coin is down 90%. If, like, you're asking an insane question for the current market condition. We're in a deep bear run right now. Everything is about to get worse. There's nothing that you could buy right now to make money. It's a good time to invest? Not really, because it's not like we're going to bounce within the next few months. We're going to go down for the next few months. And then in a good time to invest will be like late this year, early next year maybe. And then in late 2027, 2028 might be a good time to get in. Everything's down 90% right now, so you theoretically can't go wrong in that sense. But I'm of the mind that things are just going to keep getting worse. The problem is at this point the market is so saturated. This isn't the time of Doge, the time of Shiba, the time of Pepe, when there was only a couple of major meme coins with escape velocity. You could pick out of a hat literally dozens of potential coins that might go up. It's going to be totally arbitrary. There's going to be no way to predict it. I can't tell you a short list of like these are the assets that are going to go up. Realistically, I think everything's going to get fucked. But yeah, if you're looking for like if you're looking for long-term strategy, then just DCA. Like, it doesn't matter the timing anyways. You just buy and you buy and you buy. DC that's going to change crypto forever. $4.7 trillion unlocked in the market. Go and check out this video that I just posted on my TikTok. I'm about to end this stream right now, but everyone go and watch this video that explains the whole thing. Click into my TikTok, show some love to that video, give it a like, a comment, a repost, a save. It's the biggest thing that you can do to help support the crypto rap community.